Konnichiwa, welcome back to my channel. It is currently about 6:30 p.m. and I have a dinner that I'm going to be attending around 7:30. So I wanted to kind of just turn on the camera and get ready with you guys. I haven't really filmed a video in a while, so excuse me if I'm awkward. That was awkward, I don't know. But I wanted to use some of my new products that I have been getting for the fall time, but also show you guys some of my favorites and just get ready and chit chat and just sit here. We're in a different setup today as well, so I don't know, anything can happen. I'm gonna start off with my primer. I've literally used this Milani Prime Light face primer like over and over again. Every single year I just continue to try to find new face primers, but honestly, this one is the best. I think it's like $8 and it's so nice. It makes your skin look super glowy and dewy. Looks amazing in photos. So definitely worth a try if you guys are in the market for a new face primer. Okay, now before I move on into cushion foundation, recently I have been using purple concealer just like on the high points of my face because I feel like, I don't know if it's the changing season or something, my skin has just not been as bright or like it just feels dull, you know? So this is just like a little step that I like to do underneath the foundation, and it kind of just like gives it a little bit of brightness underneath my eyes without like caking on that concealer, so. Okay, now moving on into cushion foundations. I always pick between these two. I love the Pony Effect. This is the Everlasting Cushion Foundation, but I also, if I want more coverage, I'll use the Moonshot Micro Setting Fit Cushion. But on a day-to-day basis, like when I go to work, I'll just use like a CC cream or a sunscreen. My favorite one right now is Mother's Made CC cream, so. Let me know if you guys have any like cushion foundation recommendations. I'm definitely stuck in a rut with my face makeup because I always just use the same one. I think I had to throw this out because it's pretty dry. So once I do that, I'm using a Milani Make It Dewy setting spray. This one's very new to me. I do like it. I just find that it's not as fine of a mist as like the Urban Decay one, which I like better. So probably won't be repurchasing that, but I do like it. It's just not as good as the Milani one, so. Okay, I feel like I just had to address this because it's kind of been, my YouTube's definitely been lacking in the past, I would say almost like a year. I feel like I just haven't been, I don't want to use the word like the YouTube burnout, but I've been on YouTube for quite a bit and I still love making content, and currently I do work for a company. I do have a full-time job if you guys didn't know, but I love creating content for them. I am so passionate about still making content. It's not that I am not passionate about it. I just have started to make content for other people, which makes me super happy, and it makes me happy to see other people happy. So I have just been kind of focusing on that and working really hard and making content for my company, but then also that means that I'm focusing on that and not so much focusing on this YouTube channel. I'm gonna prime my eyes. I have still been pretty active on Instagram. I've been definitely reaching out to new people and stepping out of my comfort zone when it comes to Instagram. I find that it's definitely hard, especially if you've been on social media for a very long time. Your passions and where you want to direct your passions are definitely going to change. And I feel like in the past few years, I've definitely made videos that are, you know, just normal videos, but I haven't been able to, you know, share my life with you guys as much as I used to. I definitely want to try and make more content that's kind of like this, where it's easier. I don't have to think too much about it and have it, you know, be like well produced, because I am a producer at heart, you know. So, but like think about this more as like a hobby and like talking to you guys and whatever. So I'm using the Ink Fitting Peri Para eyeshadow in Chemistry Goddess. Love, love, love Peripera. Focusing on Instagram a little bit more, I've definitely had a chance to work with some amazing companies, which I like literally never in a million years would have thought that I'd be working on a post for Peripera. Oh my god, literally when I got that DM, I was like, what just happened? So I'm gonna use this. I absolutely love their eyeshadows. They're just like the most shimmery, like beautiful, just like subtle but gorgeous and girly eyeshadow. I think I put a little bit of that on my lids. And then recently I've just been taking a bronzer, just a regular one, because I don't really wear that much bronzer, and I just put it in my crease, and it's just so natural, but it looks really, really nice, and it like blends out a lot better, I think. So also something different is that I've been wearing less and less makeup. I don't know if that's like a time kind of thing, or if that's a like I know not to wear really bright color eyeshadows like when I was 8 kind of thing, but I really like a very natural look. Sometimes I just wear mascara and sunscreen and call it a day, but I feel like since I'm on camera right now, I feel like I won't be able to do this eyeliner well. I always usually let my liquid eyeliner dry a little bit, and then I'll move on into my face once again. I'm gonna go ahead and use some powder. The Can Make powder is literally like $5 in Japan. Best thing ever. So if you ever have a chance to purchase it in Japan, definitely do that. I believe they do sell it online too. For blush, I'm using the Kaja Stamp Blush. It's so, so freaking cute. You just literally like stamp it in, and then it comes out in the shape of a heart. I feel like it's not really necessary, but it's cute. You know, sometimes you just need something that's unnecessary but cute in your life. I literally had to erase space on my card because I ran out. I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish as my highlighter today. Honestly, I've been repurchasing this since the start of YouTube, and it's still a holy grail product. But yes, I'm sorry for not uploading as much as I used to. I mean, I used to upload like twice a week when I was in Japan, but you know, things change. It's not that I'm not passionate about making videos. I still love making videos, and I've definitely found an outlet with my company to create amazing videos and impact people's lives and make people happy, which makes me just so, so happy and so grateful that I'm in a position to do that. But I definitely want to hear your guys' feedback on like what you guys want to see in my future videos and such. I definitely want to try new things and not just, you know, create content that I've already made 100 different times in 100 different ways. I feel like I want a little bit of a highlight on my inner tear ducts. I'm using the Stila Kitten eyeshadow, which literally breaks every time I go on a business trip, but it's so freaking good. So I'm just gonna apply that to my inner corners. You know what? I'm being so undecisive today, but I do want to add a little bit of color to my outer corner just because we're going out today, and I usually never go out. Plus, there's a lot of new games that are coming out this fall, so that means I'm never going out. Anyone relate? Taking the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I always take this like coral color, and I just like to apply it to my outer corner. I feel like also because my skin has just been feeling dull and like not as bright right now, I like to add like kind of a little bit of color. I don't know, we're just doing a lot of fun things today. Okay, I swear I am done. All I'm gonna do is just spray my setting spray again. And then I'm gonna pick a lip color. I'm so excited. Peripera sent me some amazing like lip colors. These are the Cushion Tint Pangs. I'm gonna use the Swaggy Red one. I love this one so much. So it's literally like, it comes out in a cushion on top, and it just gives the most like beautiful like velvety finish to your lips, and it stains your lips a little bit. So I really do like this. I think it brings the whole look together. Except we do have to take out these clips. Okay, so I think we're done with the makeup look for the night. I am going to change. I definitely can't live in just a cozy cardigan all day, but thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is a very different style of video, but I really do like to just sit down and do more relaxed videos. So let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future of this channel. I'm going to try my hardest to keep uploading, keep the passion going, and communicate with you guys more. And make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You've already made it to the end of the video, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Mata ne! Mwah!